There's also breaking news coming in from that Quad meeting, and we're given to understand that the Quad has in fact also called out sponsorship of terror and has sent a very clear message to Pakistan in that regard. And President Joe Biden himself acknowledged the problem that cross-border terror poses. So not just China, but a strong message also going out to Pakistan in that regard, not just with regards to cross-border terror, but also its interference in the state of affairs in Afghanistan.
Yes, that definitely happened. Biden has said that, and that will be in the joint statement between India and America that is going to be released very shortly. There have been two joint statements, one already out on the Quad, and the other on India and America, the bilateral meeting that President Biden and Prime Minister Modi had. There, what we are hearing from our sources are two things. That in the meeting between President Biden and Prime Minister Modi and the delegation level talks after the one-on-one, the issue of cross-border terrorism certainly came up. And President Biden acknowledged the fact that, yes, this was an issue. We are also hearing that in the joint statement that will be issued shortly by America and the United States, and a joint statement is a written statement signed by both sides. It's not something that is said for the public. It is something that is jointly written and then subsequently issued. In the joint statement, there will be a reference to terrorism. That is very clear, which means that America, not just India, it's not something that India has told America and America has said yes, yes. Both sides are saying, yes, terrorism is a problem, terrorism is something we are facing, and terrorism is something that has to be fought and combated. That is the point that is in the joint statement. It's a very, very important moment because here Prime Minister Modi and President Biden which is what that President Biden and the Biden administration, which will last the next 3 years, has acknowledged that terrorism is an issue and it should be fought. So that is something that will be important even going forward.
Right, many thanks for that, Srinjoy. We look forward to that joint statement, which will shortly be released by both the Indian side as well as the American side. We now move